It's Ryan here at Jump Around. I want to talk to you about safety with your upcoming rental and your upcoming event. Now, we want all of our customers to have fun, but if it's not a safe environment, it's not likely that you're going to enjoy yourself and enjoy your rental. We pride ourselves in stressing safety and making safe setups and communicating safety to our customers, as well as providing top-notch, high-quality equipment. Now, our workers will go over safety with you on the scene of the event, but we know sometimes it's crazy and we want to make sure that you are really familiar with the safety processes. We're going to set up the inflatable, we're going to anchor it down either using stakes or sandbags depending on the surface, and then we're going to go over the safety rules that are on the front of the inflatable. Now, it's very important for you to abide by these safety policies, especially the few that I'll give to you at this moment. One is the winds. Winds are the biggest hazard to the inflatables. If winds exceed 15 miles an hour, then you'll want to have them exit, shut down the inflatable, and then let it pass, then turn it back on and let them resume using it. Now, the same process goes for lightning or thunder, moderate to heavy rain as well. The safety policies are also very important to be followed at all times because the weather can change and you need to be alert. You need to be watching the kids at all times. Do not allow them to use the inflatable unsupervised. You must supervise them at all times. Also, try to use kids of similar size in the inflatable. If you have more than the recommended manufacturer capacity using it, which many of our events do, don't try to put them all in at once, but simply rotate them through. You don't want a 3-year-old and a 10-year-old, for example, in the inflatable at the same time. What you want to do is group them comparable to size and let them rotate through. Have some other activities. We have plenty of other rental items, smaller items that may fit in your budget, or you can come up with your own ideas, but have several stations that they can participate in, and that would be outstanding. If at all possible, most of our inflatables recommend at least 2 people supervising, and sometimes more depending on the size. So have multiple people available to supervise and then rotate them through. It's very difficult for them to stay vigilant and diligently watch the kids for hours on end. So try to rotate those volunteers that are supervising, whether they're parents or others. And if you're not able to do that, inquire to us about our paid staff that can come and supervise these events for you. Those are a few of the safety rules. There's many others are listed there, and you really ought to be careful of how they interact in the inflatable. No horseplay, no pushing, shoving, no flips, no jumping off or on the front of the step. And please do not have them take anything in there with them, whether it's toys, candy, food, drinks, pets, or silly string, which stains and sticks and is a permanent damage. It cannot be removed, the silly string. So please abide by those as well. Most of all, we hope you'll be safe and enjoy the rental, and we hope you'll use this again next time you have a need for your party or your event. Thanks for choosing Jump Around.